everyone, this is James with WSTrades.com. I want to bring you an update here, but before I get to this update, I want to say if you are looking for a trading account and you are new to the stock market, Moomoo does have a pretty good promotion going on right now. So if you go to the link in the comments and description section of this video, sign up for Moomoo and make a deposit. They do have this promotion going on where you can receive up to 15 free stocks plus 1 extra share of Tesla or Google. So if that's something that you're interested in, head to that link, check it out, head over to Moomoo and sign up and, get some free stock. Hey everyone, this is James with WSTrades.com. I want to provide an update here on ticker RIVN or Rivian Automotive. So they had a 3.56% gain on Friday, closing at $18.92. They ticked down a little bit in after hours trading, but still a nice green day. And you can see this massive uptick here on the daily chart in volume when they had this massive dump and this massive sell-off. This was related to the $1.5 billion offering that they did. So, if you've been watching this channel, I've covered Rivian before, and their financial performance is absolutely pathetic. I mean, the people that bought in at the IPO price are getting absolutely obliterated and getting diluted into oblivion. But I will say, if you look at 2022 earnings, where I think they bled almost $7 billion, they lost almost $7 billion, which is just absolutely pathetic. Like, they are losing a ton of money for every vehicle that they sold. It has improved quite a bit. If you compare 2022 to the last 12 months, they have improved those earnings quite a bit. I think over the last 12 months, they've lost about $5 billion, which is still a horrendous amount of money, like terrible, but it is improving. So, I think people are just really looking far down the road. If Rivian can continue to become more efficient, they can cut down the costs and they can, work towards a break even on producing their vehicles. I think a lot of people are seeing, this company turn a profit down the road. They just need to keep that up as far as narrowing the losses, improving the earnings year over year, and keep that trend up, because so far since they've been trading, it's been really, really brutal here. If we look at the 3-year weekly, you can see prices here at the start of the chart around $94, spiking up here to $179, almost $180 when they started trading here, and then it's just been a beat down. It has kind of bottomed out a little bit lately. If we look at the weekly here, you can kind of see this spot down here around $11-12 was really where the buyers kind of set up shop, supported that level. So we did get a pretty good consolidation phase here before we made a big move higher, and then we were kind of trapped within a range here. But with this latest dump and this $1.5 billion offering, that did close it below a key level here on the weekly time frame. So I think in the short term here, we're going to continue to see probably more offerings, because they're just hemorrhaging way too much money. But for the long run, if people can keep participating in these offerings and they keep pulling in this cash, supporting the balance sheet, eventually, if they continue to become more and more efficient quarter after quarter, year after year, they can swing to a positive earnings. It's just since their inception and lately, it's been really brutal. There's been a ton of dilution going on. And I would expect more dilution maybe within the next year to two, because they're claiming they're going to start turning a profit or at least break even, on making vehicles at the end of 2024. So at least for, the next year and a half, I would not be surprised if we see more big offerings coming in. But I'll continue to keep you updated here on ticker RIVN or Rivian Automotive. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.